Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by cutting the pipeline. Open Settings and go straight to Notifications, then locate Samsung Push Service. You want to turn off notifications and remove permissions that allow pop-ups. Once done, go to Apps, force stop that package, and disable it if the option exists. This prevents it from restarting. You're doing this now so ads stop delivering via System Push. These steps block the common background service delivering promotional content. Next, target specific ad sources. Open apps and inspect Samsung Free, Galaxy Store, and Samsung members. You should disable notifications, restrict background data, and revoke unneeded permissions like location or overlay. Once done, uninstall updates to roll apps back or disable them entirely if you don't use them. This stops newer ad modules. Make sure to restart your phone after changes so the system clears cached apps. Finish by closing network and account vectors. Sign into your Samsung account and opt out of marketing and ad personalization. Then set a private DNS or use a local DNS blocklist to stop ad fetch domains. This catches ads served over the network. If ads persist, back up important files and consider a factory reset as a last resort. Many persistent ad modules are removed by resetting. Troubleshooting tip. If a disabled app reappears after updates, disable automatic system, updates, and reapply the blocks immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.